We are looking at how to pronounce this word or this phrase, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English and some of the most mispronounced ones, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? In British English, this is said as martial law. Martial law. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as martial law. Martial law in American English versus martial law in British English. Martial law or martial law. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.